Hi, this is Jay from caldereriaonline.com. In this video, I want to show you our free online welding filter shade calculator and explain why choosing the correct welding lens shade is critical for eyes safety. When welding or cutting, your eyes are exposed to three different types of radiation. First, infrared radiation or IR. Infrared is invisible, but it generates heat. Prolonged exposure can cause deep eye damage, including retinal burns, without you even noticing it immediately. Second, visible light. Welding arcs produce extremely intense visible light. If the filter shade is too light, this can cause eye strain, temporary blindness, and long-term vision problems. And third, ultraviolet radiation or UV. UV radiation is especially dangerous. It can cause arc eye, also known as welder's flash, which feels like having sand in your eyes and can be very painful. Repeated exposure can lead to permanent eye damage. This is where our welding filter calculator comes in. The calculator helps you choose the correct lens shade based on three factors. So, I am already in caldereriaonline.com, not necessarily logged in. First, you select the standard approach you want to follow. You can choose between European standard recommendation, that is ISO 19734, OSHA minimum protective shade number, or ANSI AWS shade number recommendations, depending on your preferences. Note that ANSI AWS filter recommendations are tighter than OSHA requirements. Second, you select the welding or cutting process you will be using, such as MIG, TIG, MMA, plasma cutting, or oxyfuel cutting. And third, you enter the process parameters such as welding current or cutting intensity, acetylene flow, etc., depending on the selected process. In this case, for example, it's liters per hour. Based on this information, the calculator immediately provides the recommended filter shade range. Let's check another examples. Let's go and say tungsten inert gas, medium, like this, and we have shade number 10. We can copy this information and paste it on a document. We can try again. Sheeted metal arc welding by current, depending on the current. And we have, well, we can choose another one, and we have a different value. Once the parameters are entered, the result is displayed clearly and the information can be copied directly on the clipboard. You can share the results with coworker or keep for reference in the shop. As mentioned, the calculator is completely free, works directly in your browser, and does not require registration. If you do welding or cutting work, I invite you to try the welding filter shade calculator on caldereriaonline.com. And while you are there, feel free to explore our sheet metal development tool, designed to help fabricators generate accurate patterns quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and have a great day.